All right, guys, this is Kelly from Heels, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course. And today we're moving our mobile home. And I wanted to show y'all more video footage than what's going on today. Evidently, the movers have come by and taken the skirting off of the mobile home. This particular mobile home, and y'all can follow me, this is a FEMA mobile home. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath mobile home. And the lot rent has got extremely crazy around here. And so we decided to move this mobile home out of this park. And by moving the mobile home out of this park, we're able to save like $285 a month. And so we're going to move this mobile home to a less expensive mobile home park where Section 8 is really booming. And even though it's going to cost us about $5,000 to move this mobile home, once we get it to its new destination and we get a new Section 8 tenant, then we're going to really recoup our money, our $5,000 for this move back very, very quickly. So we actually got, this is our most expensive mobile home. We actually got this mobile home for $20,000. We've had it roughly about 2 years. We had some good paying tenants, but we decided to move the mobile home. And so the tenants have since moved in a nearby mobile home in this community. Okay. So I'll just give y'all a tour. So right now they just took the skirting down. And if you could look underneath the mobile home, very nice, no trash or anything like that underneath the mobile home. So we'll go around to the front. What I like about this home is that the AC, and if you guys can see it up here, the AC is not like on the ground like you see typically of other mobile homes. So the AC is out of the elements, the water and all that kind of stuff, animals eating away at your AC. So that has a tendency when it's like that for the mobile home, the AC to last a little bit longer. Okay. So when you're moving a mobile home, you should always take pictures of the mobile home before they actually move it, just in case there's any type of damages. Then you'll be able to say, hey, you damaged my whole mobile home. Always get somebody who is bonded and insured. That's very important. As a matter of fact, if you're dealing with a legitimate park, they won't let you just have anybody move your mobile home. And so I think this mobile home was roughly about a little under 800 square feet. And as you can see, the trash here, guys, this trash is going to have to be taken away, because if it's not taken away, what happens is the park is going to have us, pay a fine. So we have to make sure this type of stuff is gone. This is the mobile home that's actually supposed to be moved. Hasn't been moved yet. And the reason why we came over to this property is because at our other property, we were evicting these people because they kept subleasing this. So this mobile home is also a FEMA home. Looks like we got a big friend here on the floor. Anyway, and so we come to give the people, because they still live in the community, the people who moved out of this mobile home, we come to give them their deposit back. But this is also a FEMA home. The electricity has been turned off already. We already know what works, what does not work. All in all, they didn't leave this property bad at all either. Ujo, you know what we need to do? The hole to this vent, we need to put something in there so nothing comes crawling out of there. We actually, the only thing we did with this particular mobile home, guys, we redid the floors. And if you pay close attention, the floors are like two-tone, no big deal. We just redid the floors in this particular mobile home when we purchased it. This is our most expensive mobile home. And I tell you what, it's not even our prettiest mobile home, but this was purchased during the time during the pandemic, when, the prices start going up. We got a lot of our properties during the pandemic, guys. That's what happened. And like I told you guys, in these FEMA homes, you also see like a lot of wheelchair accessible stuff going on, a little shower ramp. Sometimes there's a shower seat. As you can see, the peephole, just like in the other home, the peephole is really low, okay? Just in case somebody's in a wheelchair, they can look out. So this is only a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and this is the mobile home that we've been waiting for over 2 weeks to move. And so very nice. I'll let y'all see the outside. And then we're gonna also put lockbox on here, only because the people who used to live here, even though they were very nice people, they still live in the community. So we're not going to take the deck with us because it's going to cost too much money. And plus, I don't think there's going to be enough room in between the mobile homes if we take this big deck with us. They want like $800 to take this deck, so we're not taking the deck. But however, we're going to take the deck on the back. Oh, there's some bar stools in there, huh, Joe? So I'll let y'all see a tour of the front. And so we're kind of glad these people left, because we want to move this mobile home. And we're actually going to be taking these stairs, and we're going to take these stairs and put them on the front once it gets to its new destination. But that's how we do in the mobile home business, guys. I will talk to y'all soon. We're just waiting for a mover, guys. That's all. So this home is actually going to go to a park, unfortunately, because the lot rent is a lot cheaper where we're trying to move it to, because it's kind of hard for us to find land. Guys, our mobile home just made it. Our mobile home just made it, guys. I told you guys we already own this mobile home here. This is the mobile home we own, and this is our mobile home coming. It's gonna come in this lot right here. So that's my brother right there, guys. And that's the movers. So anyway, am I interested in moving again? Another home? No, I am not interested. Too many pieces of the puzzle that did not come together like they were supposed to.